Hi beautiful mysteries, welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe so much time has gone by. I swear it feels like just yesterday I made my last tutorial. Then I got a notification about a new video from, I think it was GT Live. And then I realized I hadn't checked my channel in a while, so I was like, alright, let's see if I got any new views. And then I saw that my last video was in late August and it's already October 1st, at least when I'm recording this. And I'm just like, oh my god, how did I lose an entire month? But what's done is done. All I can do is move forward and make some new videos. I want to show you this beautiful hairstyle and I wanted to get it to you as fast as I could. I know I said the next makeup tutorial I'd do was the Evil Audrey from Descendants 3, but I just wanted to get this down real quick. It's very simple, very easy. Literally anybody can do it. I'd say the hardest parts was the little mini ponytail I got on the back here and curling it. Those were the two hardest parts and I just got that done in like less than 2 minutes. So I'm just going to go straight into the video and I hope that you like it. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is straight hair. Now I have frizzy hair and I need to straighten mine, and if you have frizzy hair too, you have two ways to straighten your hair. One is to take a round brush and this nozzle that I'm not sure what it's called, but it usually comes with the hair dryer you buy, and to just blow dry it straight. Now you do that by taking a section of your hair, you put it on the hairbrush, and as you're drying it, you just pull it down. And you just keep doing that in sections until your whole hair is dry. The second way you can straighten your hair is just by flat ironing it. Now, flat ironing is pretty simple. I really don't think I have to explain it. But one thing I will say is that if you're gonna flat iron, you should really get a heat protectant. Otherwise, you're just gonna fry your hair. I use the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray. This stuff's really good. I spray it on my hair. I let it sit for a few seconds and then I just flat iron it section by section. Now if you're gonna flat iron your hair in order to get it straight, you're gonna wanna do that the night before because we're gonna be curling it, and if you flat iron it on the same day that you curl it, the curl is not gonna stay, it's not gonna hold. I would know, I tried flat ironing it and curling it on the same day and it did not hold, it just went back to being straight. I don't think that applies if you blow dry it. I think if you blow dry it, it should be okay. But if you're gonna flat iron it, do it the night before. Anyway, I flat ironed my hair last night, so now I'm just gonna brush through it really quick just to make sure that there aren't any knots. So now that that's done, let's get into it. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is take the front two sections of your hair. Oh, and you're also gonna wanna get a hair tie, just put that on right now. You may need a mirror for this, by the way. Tie those two sections in the back of your head, and don't tie it too tight because you're gonna pull it like this a little bit just to get it to smooth back here. Take your hair, be careful of the part that's sticking out from the hair tie. Take it and bring it up front like this. Now at this point you can curl it in any way you want with whatever you want, a curling wand or whatever. But for me, I'm going to be using the Conair Curl Secret. I think this is really good for this hair specifically. And I put it on high and set it on 10. So I'm just gonna take my hair section by section and very carefully curl it. Now you just keep it there and hold it until you hear the beep, 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 beep. That's what it says in the instructions. And I'm just gonna keep doing it like this over and over again. Sometimes you may wanna brush the strand you've got. Just be very careful of your other curls. I'm just gonna speed through this because it's pretty boring. It's basically the same thing all around, so. curling the bottom half of your hair, take that piece of hair you put up top, split that into 2 sections, and then curl those 2 sections like you did on the bottom. Okay, after you're done curling everything, the final thing is, of course, you're going to want to spray it. And you can use one of 2 things. You can use a hairspray or you can use a texture spray. A hairspray is a lot stronger hold, but a texture spray I'd say is a bit natural based on what I've read and how I've used these products. So I have the Sexy Hair Spray and Play in the travel size. There was a sale for the travel size, that's why I didn't get the regular size. But it works just as well, and it's always good to have some hairspray to carry with you around just in case of anything. And then there's the IGK Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray. This also comes in a travel size, but I got the regular size because 1, they were out, and 2, again, there was a sale. Now I'm not going to spray because I'm not going out anywhere, and I really don't want to have to deal with washing this stuff out. It's not that it's hard to wash out or anything, it's just I don't like washing it out, period. So, anyway, that concludes the hair tutorial. You now have these nice, beautiful curls and this sweet hairstyle. It honestly looks good, I'd say anywhere, just going out on a regular day or for a date, an event, whatever. You can go to school like this if you like. And it's just so soft, and I'd say depending on what you're wearing, romantic. It looks beautiful, and I just wanted to get it down for you. So that's my first ever hair tutorial. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button, the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and please share the video. And please, please stay a beautiful mystery. Bye!